Practical step-by-step guide on how to dwell in God's secret place, your ultimate spiritual refuge. Welcome, ready to embark on a transformative spiritual journey? Grab your pen and paper so you can practice later. This tutorial will guide you step by step to enter God's secret place, a divine realm filled with intimacy, protection, and peace. Let's dive in. What is the secret place of God? Imagine a refuge where you're shielded from harm, stress melts away, and your soul aligns with divine purpose. Sounds amazing, right? This space is accessible to everyone willing to commit and prioritize spiritual growth. Let's uncover how to get there. To begin your journey, make God the center of your heart. Love Him above all distractions. Prioritize Him like a close friend or partner. This is the first step to entering His refuge. Start by dedicating time every day to talk to God. Pray with sincerity, read His Word, and reflect on His goodness. By loving Him fully, the door to the secret place begins to open. Living righteously brings you closer to God's presence. This means choosing integrity, living uprightly, speaking truth, and avoiding harmful habits or dishonesty. Align your daily actions with God's principles. Avoid gossip, stay faithful to commitments, and honor those who walk in God's ways. Each act of righteousness strengthens your connection to God and ushers in His presence. Entering God's secret place requires intentionality. Spend quiet moments in worship, play spiritual songs, sing praises, or simply sit and reflect on His greatness. Prayer unlocks the door to this sacred space. Create a peaceful environment where you can commune with God without interruptions. Meditate on verses like Psalms 91 and pour out your thoughts honestly to Him. Staying in God's presence isn't a one-time act, it's a committed lifestyle. Build daily habits like morning prayers, reading the Bible, and practicing gratitude. Revisit your spiritual goals each day. When distractions arise, gently refocus on God. Genuine commitment anchors you deeper in His secret place, ensuring constant guidance and protection. Once you dwell in the secret place, trust in God's protection. Feel reassured knowing He is your shield against life's challenges. The Bible promises that no harm will touch you when you remain under His wings. Find peace in His presence. With God, stress diminishes, confidence rises, and faith replaces fear. This is the power of His divine refuge. Dwell fully in God and you'll experience peace beyond understanding, deliverance from danger, and empowerment to overcome obstacles. His secret place transforms you spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. Reflect on moments when you felt God's love sustain you. Each memory strengthens your faith, affirming the blessings of being deeply connected to Him. Start a journal. Record prayers, revelation, and moments of gratitude daily. Create a sacred space in your home for uninterrupted worship. 3. Use scripture affirmations to remind yourself of God's promises. Now is your moment. Begin practicing these steps today to build your relationship with God. Embrace this journey to the secret place and experience the peace, safety, and blessings of living in His presence. Ready to transform your life? Pick up your pen and take that first step now. And if you haven't already done so, quickly run and hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more content like this. We appreciate you, and if we never meet now, we will surely meet when Jesus returns. May the Lord bless you mightily with His right hand,